What is the number one cause for failure? Throughout my life, I've been involved with business, and I've had a lot of friends and seen a lot of people that I know build businesses and both succeed and fail. What is the number one reason for failure? This right here, this line, that is your focus. If this is your goal, right here, this big shiny goal right there, you have only a limited amount of focus. And what I have seen over and over and over again is that when people want to get into business and they want to succeed, they have these goals, these missions, they want to attain freedom and wealth in their life so they can give back to the people they love and they know. The one thing that diverts them from attaining this goal over and over and over again inside of my own life, I've done this too, is there's two things. One is they have a plan B. So their plan B is right here, and that's always in their mind. So they're like, if I don't get this, well, then I'll go do this. And so their focus always is diverted. Our focus is like a laser beam, and we can either use it like a laser beam or it becomes scattershot, like shooting a shotgun, many different BBs out in the middle of everywhere. And if we have many different BBs, then we cannot hit the target. And so either people have a plan B or they let themselves get distracted by like get rich quick schemes and all these other things. There's all these shiny objects out there, and their goal is not the centerpiece of what they're trying to accomplish. Over and over, you guys, I have seen it, and they never truly commit to winning. If they see an obstacle or they encounter too many obstacles, they give up and they say, it's too steep. The mountain is too steep, the obstacles are too high, there are too many obstacles, and I can't make it. And so I'm always gonna fall back on this plan B. That's my other option. And I'm just gonna ride this thing out as long as it'll go, and then I'll just give up, or I'll quit, or I'll exit. And maybe exiting is a good choice. I've had to face that decision, and you're never gonna have certainty about what you're doing. But exiting from something that you wanna do or wanted to accomplish sometimes is necessary, but it has to come from a solid and firm decision that I am going to stop this right now because you've crunched the numbers, you've figured it out, and then you can start formulating your plan B. But if you're always, like, oh, I kind of want to make this happen, but this is in the way, you're always going to face mediocre results. And in today's world, with the challenges that we have and the struggles that we have, they're all very real. Financially, trying to build a business, everything that's in the way. I get it. It's difficult. Yet, you have to have that relentless spirit, that persistent pursuit of achieving this goal no matter what. There are no other options. There is no escape. There is no quitting. Even if you see a shiny object, you keep going for this goal. If you can make that shiny object fit into the business model that you have, great. But you have to have that singular laser point focus where there is no other option. You are going to achieve this right there. That's it. That singular focus, you guys, in the relentless pursuit. You have to know that there are going to be obstacles. There's always obstacles in business or any type of goal that you want to achieve. Mastery over anything. You're going to run into stuff. Always pursue that. And the thing about it is that when you're building a business or you're trying to build something, it doesn't mean that this is like the end of your life. You're always going to be right here. It just means that you get to here, you establish this. It's like building an engine. You get that engine running until it's smoothly idling and you don't really have to give it a lot of maintenance. And then you can pursue the other shiny objects or things that you see inside of your life that you know would yield the results that you want and help you achieve your next dream, your next goal. But it has to take that singular focus. All right, guys, there is no plan B.